Okay, so we just learned how to put text on our screen. And what we can do now is we can move this using the move tool, or you can move this by selecting on the text and then just using the grips to move it, okay, wherever you want. Now, you can also rotate the text by clicking on the text, and then you would have a rotation angle here. So you can type in the angle you want, let's say 45, and press enter, and you can see that the text rotated 45 degrees. Okay, if that's too steep, then you could change again the rotation to, let's say, 30. Enter. Okay, and then if that's still too steep, you can always change it, like 26 or whatever angle you want. And then you want to position this wherever it is. Okay, and if you still want to change it, yeah, you can just go ahead. As long as the text is selected, you can always change it to whatever angle you want it to be on the properties tool. Okay, I think that's how I want it. And then I could modify this text by double clicking on it. So I'm going to press escape to unselect something, and if I want to double click it, okay, the text box will appear again, and I can type here drawn by, okay, press enter or click anywhere. Now when you click on a text, I'm zooming out because so when I click on a text, I wanted to show, double click on a text, I want to show that there's this really long long tool or column, and you can always zoom out and then pull that back or rein that back in. That's just how long the line of text will appear. Before it would go to the next column. Okay, so you can change angle, you can change the entity, and click change. You can change the content, and to change the content, you know what's written on the text. You could always double click it. So let's go ahead and copy this. So we're going to select the copy tool here, copy, and then select the text, and then press enter or click the check button on the lower right corner, and then don't click somewhere here, click somewhere outside that where you're not gonna bump into anything, and then we're gonna put it there. Okay, and then press or click check to stop, and then we're gonna put here our last name, double click, and then backspace, and then put in your middle or last name. Make sure they are all caps. Okay, and then there's a check box here. I can always move this box wherever I want. Okay, so check box here. There you go. So if this doesn't look right to you, you can always move it. Okay, no command, simply click, and then you can just move it. Okay, now whenever you're zooming or something, the solid hatch might disappear, and that's okay. I don't want it 23. Maybe I want it about just 20. Press enter. Yeah, I think that's it. So this one should probably be 20 also. So select, and then here put in 20. Press enter. There you go. Okay, and then let me move it. Move. I didn't select my grips this time, but I can always move. Click check mark, and then I'm gonna just say put move here, drawn by, and then my last name's supposed to show here, and then there you go. Okay, so yeah, do this. You don't need to do it to all your stamps. Just do it to the one that you like the most. So this is the one that I like the most. So I put here drawn by. My name is already in there, and then I just put in my last name. Okay, so do that.